Hello, this is Mr. Michael, and this is the CS and AI, the Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Lego Education set. This is 11 plus, which is the 6th grade through 8th grade, set number 45522 with 379 pieces, the most of our set so far. The younger ages are in other videos, so you can check those out. I've already opened the box up and taken the cover off, and here is your booklet inside, which is still sealed. And this again is located, if you didn't see the other video, your booklet is located right under this cover, which is a good protective cover. So I'll set this to the side, trying to minimize our noise. We do have a a similar box to our science set as well. The science set is going to have till handles, but all of the CS and AI sets do come with the marigold color. So let's go ahead and open up our box here, take our lid off. They did keep they're slightly ridged unit scales on the side here, and these are going from 4 all the way up to 44. And this does have a runoff part here for different opportunities for projects. Without doing a lot of moving around, looks like we have 2 cards here, and I'll spin our box around a little bit here. I like to present our parts to the left. We do have our single motor, and when these are shipped, something happens with the box. They kind of do a little cave in here. The pieces are fine, it just how it was handled somewhere. So this is the older set. It has a single motor set up here. We do have our color sensor, our double motor hub, and our remote control, and again with 2 different color cards. And you will have a random variety of parts here. So I'll get all of this out so we don't make any more noise, and I'll have a picture of this and go through all the different bags as well. All right, see you then. Thank you.